Hello everyone, my name is Jayashree and I'm a cabin crew. Being a cabin crew, we get to explore many places in India and around the world. And just like that, today I'm in a different country, which is Qatar. मैं कतर की कैपिटल दोहा में हूँ. दोहा is one of those places जहाँ मैं सबसे ज़्यादा आई हूँ. मेरे most of my international layover जो हुए हैं, वो दोहा में ही हुए हैं. एंड इवन आफ्टर दैट यहाँ की जो सबसे फेमस मॉल है मैं वहाँ पे नहीं गई। यहाँ पे ना एक बहुत ही एस्थेटिक सी प्लेस है जहाँ पे बोटिंग होती है। मैंने बहुत सारे क्रू के सोशल मीडिया पे देखा था, मुझे हमेशा से जाने का मन था। But due to some reasons or the other, I couldn't go. But today I am going and look at me. My entire makeup, dress, and jewelry is just to match the vibe of that place. How am I looking? I wanted to take pictures according to the aesthetic of that place. So मैंने अपना पूरा look उसी के हिसाब से रखा है. So let's go now. So me and my other colleagues, मेरे दूसरे जो crew members हैं, हम सबने plan किया कि हमारे पास पूरा दिन था तो let's start in the morning. Let's complete our breakfast and straight away go to the mall. So here I am going for breakfast. ब्रेकफास्ट में ज़्यादा कुछ वेजिटेरियन ऑप्शन नहीं था। आई ओनली फाउंड फ्राइड राइस बट इट वाज नॉट एट ऑल गुड सो आई हैड सम म्यूस्ली विद कॉफी एंड क्रूज़ॉन। ब्रेकफास्ट खत्म करके ही वी ऑल बुक्ड एन उबर एंड लुक एट माय क्रूज सेट। हम बातें करते करते निकल पड़े अपने मॉल के लिए एंड इट वाज अराउंड 11 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम आवर होटल। एंड लुक एट द मॉल, हम पहुंच गए अपने मॉल। इस मॉल का नाम विलाजियो है। So let's get in and see what's all the hype about this famous mall. Oh my God, right after entering the mall, this place is so pretty. यहाँ का जो interior design है, जो theme है, it is just like some holiday destination of Italy. Look at this beautiful night sky ceiling. हमें तो यही जगह इतनी अच्छी लगने लगी कि हम आगे ही नहीं बढ़ रहे थे. We were all just there clicking pictures and videos. Even the stores in this place, they were made in such a way कि ऐसा लग रहा है कि these are real buildings. बीच में से कोई प्यारी सी गली है, ऊपर आसमान है खुला. And we spent a lot of time there taking pictures. बाद में हमें ऐसा लगा that we are wasting a lot of time. Let's go for the main spot of this mall, that is the boating area. And we reached the place. Look at this pretty place. I couldn't wait. मैंने तो सीधा ticket लिया and I hopped into the boat. And here we go. Just wait for it. And just look at this view. This is so pretty. Just like some Bollywood scene, isn't it? Oh my God, this is so pretty. So this entire boat ride was for 5 minutes. And these 5 minutes were so beautiful. I tried clicking as many pictures and videos as possible, but मैंने enjoy भी बहुत किया. Oh my God. I tried to make memories as many as possible. After the boat ride, we headed for shopping and tried out some dresses. These dresses are actually from H&M and they had some very nice collection. Doha का जो H&M है ना, it's like nowhere else. After the shopping, we explored some other places in the mall and we found some very beautiful stores, the flower shop, and this is a gift shop. It's so pretty. I just couldn't resist myself from making these videos. And once more, look at this ceiling. This is a day sky ceiling. जो हमने पहले ही देखा था, that was a night sky. And then we had some food, and that was all about our trip in this mall. We enjoyed a lot, and the boat ride was literally the best part of this trip. And then we were done with our shopping and our boat ride, and done. Bye bye, Villaggio. And finally, after a long day, we reached back hotel. And here I am done with my day, and now I need to take some rest. So I'll be well rested for my next flight. Hope you all enjoyed the video and my Doha trip. Bye bye.